In a world where the strongest bladers win with flashing moves and legendary bays, one underdog is doing something different.
He's losing. A lot.
This one's mine!
But he's still showing up. And somehow, that makes him one of the most important characters in all of Beyblade X. This is the story of Bird Kazami and why he's the best character of Beyblade X.
Let's get into it.
Stop fucking your music again.
Let's go! Strike hot!
2 points for Stone Mountain with a knockout finish. Takumi Ishiyama is the winner.
It only took a second. How could this happen to my Strikehawk?
You said you trained for a whole month, didn't you? You're pathetic. I've been training for the past 10 years. You never stood a chance.
Huh? What are you... Wait!
You'll never be a pro.
Oh, no. No.
Yikes, that hurt my soul. For those of you who have watched the Beyblade X series or are just getting into the series,
Bird Kazami arrives in Xenon City full of dreams and very little actual skill. He's not a prodigy, he's not the chosen one. Bird starts off as an enthusiastic blader with very little skill compared to his peers. In fact, one of the defining traits of his early character is constantly losing. This is a significant departure from past Beyblade protagonists who usually win early and often. Bird's drive comes not from instant success, but from an almost painful persistence despite repeated failures. He loses more battles than he wins, but he never quits.
Fun, huh? Now that I think about it, I guess I did forget about that. But if I'm gonna be a pro someday, I have to work for it, don't I?
you know what makes Bird special? While everyone is chasing victory, Bird chases growth. And that's realistic for most of us bladers.
Someone's eager for his close-up, but you're gonna have to wait your turn first. I was planning to introduce all of you to my new teammates today anyway, so I guess we can just get to it.
Bird's passion reignites as he joins Team Persona and receives a new bay from Multi-Nana Aero.
You make a good point, but I still wouldn't feel right accepting a...
Robin? Something wrong?
Oh, nothing. I'm okay.
Scythe and Cindio catch your eye? I might have underestimated you.
Scythe and Cindio?
Its history is a little spotty, but use it right and you can have some amazing battles.
Multi also joins the team and they become a strong crew.
The one and only Blader X!
Blader X is the name and Bladen's the game.
And over here, we have Robin Kazami.
Hello, Robin Kazami's the game and Blading is the name!
I'm just gonna tweak the settings a little.
Bird doesn't get stronger overnight. He trains, he studies other bladers, he fails again, then again. But slowly, something changes. He begins to improve, not just as a blader, but as a teammate, a thinker, and a craftsman. Bird doesn't follow a clean upward curve. He trains hard and still loses. He makes improvements, but sometimes it's not enough. This mirrors real-life development. Progress often comes in fits and starts and not cinematic montages.
Bird's importance goes beyond battles.
He redefines what it means to be a protagonist in Beyblade. He's not a one-man show. He lifts up his team. He listens and he grows with them. Where others bring power, Bird brings heart. Where others chase fame, Bird finds joy and improvement. And where others need to win to feel strong, Bird learns to feel strong just by standing up again.
His story teaches us that his growth isn't linear.
That your value isn't measured by trophies and that your journey is worth it, even if you're the last one to cross the finish line.
フィフスバトルレディーセット3、2、1
そうだ、俺はなんでベイブレードをやっている。こんなぶっつけ本番ありえないけど通じないっす。ベイブレードっていいんだ。この軌道
君ってやつは
エクストリームラインをね。風見バードは実力不足の半人前。 SNS でも絶対に負けるやつだって。そんなやつにできるはずない。違うね。絶対に諦めず可能性に挑み続ける。
それが風見バードの
まだ見ぬものだ。遊ぼうぜ相棒。消えた。仮面 X や竜宮クロムと同じ。
You guys, Bird Kazami is more than just a character. He's a reminder that heart, humility, and hard work is just as great as victory. You can apply this to anything in life, anything that you want to achieve, you guys. It is possible with hard work. And what I want to say for you guys is keep going, keep working hard, keep that discipline, and you'll get to where you want to be. Because it's not about just winning, but it's about learning and growing your own skills to become the best you can be. And you can get there. Don't give up. Just keep working and you'll get to where you want to be.
3, 2, 1,
People like that, especially in the Beyblade community, are very supportive, are very helpful, and they really add value to how amazing the Beyblade community is. And there's a lot of people like that surrounded, at least in the Beyblade community in New York City. I hope it is for you guys as well. But it's good to have that sort of bond with everyone. And it's great to have supportive people no matter what. In a franchise that is mainly centered around intense battles and high stakes in tournaments, Bird reminds us that character development is the ultimate win. Imagine somebody in your community, how they started off and where they are now, how well they're doing versus how they did last year, how they're just developing and learning and growing. It's amazing to see. It's like seeing the underdog just do well. It's an amazing story, and it's a testament to all of us that work hard and you will see yourself progress. And you'll love that progression because you know that you worked for it. And that's valuable in itself.
やるねバード。まだまだ行くぞ X。 おお見よう見まね。いや
正真正銘のエクストリームダンス。
Hope you guys enjoyed this video about Bird, Robin, Kazami. I've been catching up on the Beyblade X series, and I was like, why not talk about this? Because he is a really important character, and as many times as he may lose, there's so many things that you can learn from his experiences because it's relatable. It's something that we can all relate to. It doesn't even have to be Beyblade. It could be anything else that we do in life. His story is very relatable to us, and I do like the fact that the franchise decided to kind of go on this sort of storyline for us to learn something instead of just watching something that's just mainly about intense battles. So really enjoyed making this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys have any other comments based on this video or what you think about Bird Kazami. What have you learned from his experiences and how you can relate to his experiences as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!